So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will talk about that how you can earn money online in Australia. So find online businesses in Australia, search faster, better and smarter at Zapmate. Now find online business. So many people are searching about that how they can make money online. So just you have to make an online store first of all, and then you should sell your product on their sites. Online selling is best and privacy protected, that you can earn money from home by selling many goods. Online money making Australia. Here are the 7 most common ways to make money online in Australia. Paid survey. Find paid survey website and join them. Virtual assistant job. Find a virtual assistant role and you can do a job there and easily earn money. Number 3 is freelancing. As you know, now in this time of COVID, everybody is going to become a freelancer and want to earn from home with easy method. Check out freelancing websites. There are many websites like Upwork, Fiverr and Amazon. So you can work there and earn money online easily. Data entry. Get into data entry. There are many jobs like data entry, so you can earn through that. 7 ways to make money online in Australia, that you can make $100 daily. So there are also method 14 way to make money online Australia wide. Take online surveys that pay cash. Become virtual assistant, that you can work from home for anyone who has an office or a company or anything. Watch videos with swag bucks. $5 sign up bonus you can get by only making an account. Become the social media manager and you will make a handsome amount there. Take polls and battles with Tolona, so you can make better money and a better package. Download money earning apps and more items. So we can discuss about other things. If you are interested in earning money online, and in your spare time, check out these 21 ways you can earn $100 or more per day. Google AdSense is the most effective way that you can make money online. Second, text links, affiliate display ads, freelance writing, getting new clients for your businesses, digital products. So how can I make quick money in Australia? 42 ways to earn extra money. Rent out your car. If you have any car and you want to get benefit from it, you can give it to on rent. Participate in focus groups, and so you can easily participate in groups to make money or to expand your investments. Sell your extra stuff. If you have any extra or any other stuff like clothes, shoes or any gadgets which have worth of many dollars, so you can easily sell them out. Deliver burgers to hungry people. Be an on-demand courier. Courier is the most effective way to make money. Be a secret shopper. Get paid to look at websites. There are many people who are looking for employees to look upon for their sites. Distribute flyers. Many company wants their product to be popular in public, so they print out flyers and want a person that can distribute to the public to make their marketing and name for their company. So how can I make money online in 2021 Australia? Easy way to make quick trading shares, trade individuals shares or invest in indexes, invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrencies and having a worth value. And number 3 is blogging. Start your own website, freelancing work for other online. Data entry, simple jobs anybody can do. Virtual assistant, help others with their businesses. 10 easy way to make $150 a day. To try to becoming a Pinterest virtual assistant, or you can make $2,500 a month if you have a crypto wallet like Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So you can make $100 a day. How can make $50 a day? Here just 5 best way to make $50 per day working online. Start selling on eBay and become a seller in easy, inexpensive, and if you have a knack for sales, it can become very profitable. Selling and postmark, work as a freelancer writer, find a social media marketing job, which is the almost best job for you to do it from home, as is it easy and simple that you have to work.